Good afternoon, class 12th. So now in additional class, we'll begin with the new topic, that is interest on partner's loan to the firm. Matlab, if interest is means if loan is given by the partners to the firm, then in that condition, what happened? What will be the accounting treatment for that? Okay. So if interest if interest on partner's loan to the firm, that means if the partner has given the loan to the firm, given the money to the firm, that in that condition what will be the accounting treatment. So if we talk about two things are there, what is the nature of the interest, what will be the rate of interest, and what will be the accounting treatment. Okay, so first thing, rate of interest. Second thing is rate of interest. Second thing is what is the nature of interest. Nature of interest, and what will be the accounting treatment. Okay, so rate of interest, if we talk about rate of interest, so rate of interest, if a partner has given the loan to the firm, he is entitled to receive interest on such that loan which he has given to the firm at an agreed rate of interest. However, if there is no agreement as to the rate of interest, अगर कोई agreement rate of interest के लिए नहीं है, तो what will be the rate of interest? I already told you that rate of interest will be 6%. As per agreement or 6%. If agreement is there, then as per agreement, the rate of interest will be charged. And if rate of interest is not given or any agreement is missing, then the rate of interest is 6%. This is a standard rate if the rate of interest is not given. Okay, interest on loan, then 6% will be charged. Okay, since interest on partner's loan क्या होता है, it's a nature if we talk about, then it's a charge against profit. Okay, interest on partner's loan is a charge against profit, and hence that interest is allowed whether there are the profit or loss. Charge against profit or appropriation of profit, I told you many times, again I am repeating that appropriation of profit means if there will be profit, then the things will be charged only, then the interest or whatever the things are there, that will be charged. But if we are talking about a charge against profit, that means if in case of loss also, the interest will be charged. Appropriation profit means if in the condition of profit only, that the things will be charged. But if we talk about charge against profit, that means in case of profit as well as in case of loss also, the interest will be charged. Interest will be given. Okay, so the nature of interest on loan is a charge against profit, and then interest is allowed whether there are the profit or there are not profit. Okay, so it's the nature if we talk about, that is charge against profit. Okay, sometimes in your exams this question has been asked in 1 mark, that interest on loan, it's a charge against profit or it's an appropriation of profit. 1 mark question, it will come in your examination. So interest on loan given by the partners to the firm, that is a charge against profit. Okay, and the standard rate also, this question can be come in your exams, that the rate of interest in absence of any agreement, that rate of interest is 6%. Okay, so what will be the accounting treatment for that? The accounting treatment for that, it is treated as a charge against, as we know, charge against the profit. Hence, interest on partner's loan is debited to profit and loss account, not to the appropriation. It is not going to be for the partners. It's a charge against profit, and this is the expenses for the firm also. So charge against all the charge against profit will be shown in the profit and loss, not an appropriation, whether it will be income for the partner. Okay, then also it will be shown in the profit and loss account because it is an charge against profit. All the appropriation of profit will be shown in the P&L appropriation. But if we talk about charge against profit, then it will be shown in the profit and loss account, not in a profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, so it will, the accounting treatment, it will be shown in profit and loss account, not profit and loss appropriation. Okay. Now we talk about journal entry. So for providing the interest on loan, interest on partners loan account debit to partners loan account. Okay. एक चीज और ध्यान रखिएगा, according to the instruction of councils, that interest on partners loan is not to credited to the partners capital account or current account. It's a rule. ये चीज याद रखिएगा, interest on capital, interest on loan will not be credited, whether we know that it is an income for the partner, but it will not be shown in the partner's capital account, but it will be shown in another separate account that will be called partner's loan account. Okay, suppose A has given loan to the firm, then A का एक अलग account खोलेगा, that will be A's loan account, and there all the transaction related to loan and interest will be recorded. Okay, so this is the thing which I have to tell you about the accounting treatment of interest on loan. Okay, the interest on partners loan will not be credited. If the rate is not given, then you have to calculate it 6%. Otherwise, as per the agreement, in the nature, it's a charge against profit, and where it will be shown in the profit and loss account, not an appropriation. Okay, and it will not be credited in partners capital account also, because it will be shown in another separate account, that will be partners loan account. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. So let us start with question number 11. That is, A, B, and C entered into partnership on 1st April 2016 with capital of 10 lakh, 8 lakh, and 5 lakh. Okay. On 1st July 2016, B advanced 2 lakh, and on 1st December 2016, C advanced 1 lakh by way of loans to the firm. Okay. The profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March disclosed a profit of 7,70,000, but the partners could not agree upon the rate of interest on loan and the profit sharing ratio. So prepare partners capital account and loan account. Here we can see that we have to prepare the loan account separately, and we have to prepare the partners capital account. Okay, so let us start with the partners capital account, as we all know how to prepare it. Come on, quickly do it. So in this question, nothing is mentioned that whether the capitals are fluctuating or fixed. So we will assume that the capitals are fluctuating. Okay. So in partners capital account, first what we have to do, we have to write the opening balance, opening capital. So opening capitals are given 10 lakh, 8 lakh, and 5 lakh. Okay. So first of all, we'll record that by bank. What we have to write by bank? Capital. Capital is given 10 lakh, 8 lakh, and 5 lakh. Okay. Now we can see that the profit 7,70,000 is given in the question. Okay, that 7,70,000 will be distributed among the partners. In which ratio? Ratio is given there? No. So the ratio, in the absence of ratio, we will assume that equally it will be distributed. So we will distribute it equally, 7,70,000 will be distributed among A, B, C equally. So distributed. Yes. One thing you have to remember, children. आपका प्रॉफिट जो दे रखा है like 7,770,000. This is net profit. This is not an profit and loss appropriation. This is not the profit that which we have to distribute among the partners, because here the adjustments are remaining. ये जो हमारा 7,70,000 है, ये प्रॉफिट है बिफोर मेकिंग इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन, और इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन हमारा कहाँ जाता है? प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट में जाता है, जो कि अभी तक दिया नहीं गया है पार्टनर्स को. यानी कि ये जो प्रॉफिट है, ये हमें इसको क्या करना पड़ेगा? रीएडजस्ट करना पड़ेगा. कैसे? इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन चार्ज करने के बाद. तो हम सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे? प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस बनाएंगे शॉर्ट सा, रफली. इट इज इन वर्किंग नोट, नॉट फेयर. नॉट इन फेयर यू हैव टू डू. Okay, roughly you have to do only, you have to calculate interest on loan. Okay, and then you have to show it in the profit and loss account. Then the net profit, whatever the net profit is there, that will be 7,70,000. See, now I'm doing, you see, 7,70,000 is given, right? This is net profit in your question. Okay, 7,70,000. And now in the question, what we have to do? We have to give the interest on loan also. And interest on loan कहाँ जाता है? हमारा प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस में जाता है. यानी कि ये जो प्रॉफिट निकाला गया है, ये एडजस्टेड नहीं है, इसमें एडजस्टमेंट्स रिमेनिंग है. तो सबसे पहले हम बी और सी का लोन निकालेंगे कि कितना इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन आ रहा है. तो बी की जो हमारी कैपिटल है वो कितनी है? 2 लाख है. सॉरी, बी का जो लोन है हमारा वो कितना है? प्लीज सी, बी एडवांस जो है 2 लाख है, और सी का एडवांस है 1 लाख. ओके, तो इंटरेस्ट बी को मिलेगा और सी को मिलेगा. कितना कितना मिलेगा? क्योंकि एग्रीमेंट नहीं है, रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट नहीं दिया हुआ है, तो हम कितना निकालेंगे? जल्दी से बताइए. एब्सेंस ऑफ एग्रीमेंट.
6%.
हाउ मेनी? 6%.
6%.
6%. So 2 lakh interest on B's loan. Interest on B's loan will be how much? 2 lakh. 2 lakh. How much percent? 6%. कितना? 6%. So 2 lakh. 6% into how many months? See in your question, how many months are given? कब ले रहा है लोन वो?
हम 8 months का.
On 1st जुलाई से 31st मार्च जो है वो पूरे काउंट करिए, कितने हुए? कितना?
9 months.
9
months. 9 months.
9 months. वेरी गुड. इसको मिलेगा 9 months का. And if we talk about C's loan, C's capital is 1 lakh. So 1 lakh into 6/100 into how many months? उसको कितना मिल रहा है?
Ma'am, 4 months.
Yes, from 1st of December 31st March, that will be 4 months. So 4 months. Now समझ में आया कि क्या हुआ? 9,000 आएगा आपका B का इंटरेस्ट, एंड आपका C का आएगा 2,000. तो टोटल इंटरेस्ट हो गया 11,000. And this 11,000 will be deducted from 7,70,000. ओके, जब हम, भाई ये प्रॉफिट है फर्म का, इसी में से तो हम इंटरेस्ट देंगे, प्रॉफिट में से ही तो देंगे. ठीक है, तो इस प्रॉफिट में से जब हम इंटरेस्ट दे देंगे पार्टनर्स को, तो क्या होगा? हमारा प्रॉफिट कम हो जाएगा ना. आई बात समझ में? तो 7,70,000 minus 11,000, then we'll get 7,59,000. Okay, so this 7,59,000 will be distributed among A, B, C equally. Now distribute it fast and tell me what will come. Okay, come on, do fast. we'll get 2,50,000 each. 2,53,000 for A, 2,53,000 for B, and 2,53,000 for C. Okay. Now anything is left? No. Nothing is left. All the adjustments we have made. So now what we have to do? We have to take out the balance. Okay. The balance we'll do and we'll do the total. So the total of A will be 12,53,000. The total of B will be 10,53,000. And the total of C will be 7,53,000. Then we'll do the balancing. So children, in this way we have to prepare the partners capital account of question number 11. Okay? See. So children, now we are preparing B's loan account and C's loan account. Okay? So B's loan account. So how much the loan has been given by B? That is 2 lakh. Okay. On 1st of July, he has given loan for 2 lakh. So it will be credited by bank 2 lakh. Okay. On 1st of July. Okay. And how much interest we have calculated? That 2 lakh into 6%, 9 months. 6%, 9 months. Okay. Then we got 9,000. Okay. So now 9,000 interest on loan. And get 9,000 and the balance will be made. Okay. Okay, children. So in this way, we have to prepare the loan account of B. And in same way, we have to prepare the loan account of C also. Okay. So that is your homework, that you have to prepare the loan account of C. Okay, thank you.